In this video, I'm going to show you how to link images in Neocities. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go in your index.html over here inside your dashboard, and you want to click on Edit. From here, as you can see, there's of course the code, and we're going to link a random image right now inside here just to show you how easy it actually is. Now, the first thing you gotta have is a link to an image, okay? So I'm just gonna go down here. I'm gonna go to, of course, lines to the bottom, to 37 over here. Of course, you can position this wherever you want. It's up to you. I'm just going to put it at the bottom here because for this tutorial, it's going to be sufficient. Then you want to find an image you want to link. So I'm actually going to show you just an example over here. This is my YouTube channel over here. I'm actually going to copy my banner. So I'm going to right click on that image and I'm going to click on copy image address. Now you can do this for a lot of images, pretty much most images on the internet. So I'm going to select this one, right click, copy image address. Again, you can do this for anyone you want. And then from here, you can go in here inside your code. You can begin with this bracket and do img and then spacebar src equals, and then you want to do quotation marks, and in here you want to paste your link. Now when you paste your link, no matter how long it is, at the very end of it you want to do quotation mark again, and then you want to do like this end of this bracket over here, and that's all you have to do. So img src equals, and then within quotation marks you want to put your link, then just click on save, and then from here you can click on the view button to view your page, and you'll be able to see, there we go, you've successfully linked an image in Neocities. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.